Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana from the FX Traders, and we are back on another market analysis video. So this Sunday, I'm going to give you two videos where I'm diving deep into currencies and I'm also diving deep into indices. If you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So without wasting much time, let us now dive into the analysis. We are going to analyze AUDNZD. We are going to analyze EURUSD, and we are also going to analyze GBPUSD. So yeah, let's get straight into the intro.
Okay, I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did it.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and once again, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Without wasting much time, let us now look at the market. So we're going to start with EURUSD. Alright, here I am. You can see I already done my analysis here on EURUSD, but let me just remove everything. First of all, let me switch to a daily time frame because that's where I'm going to start at, and then now let me remove all the drawings. So starting there, what I did this time around is to just identify my levels. So I will start by identifying my levels. As you can see right there, we have that level and also this level right here and this level right here. Okay, why am I starting with my levels this time around? Because normally what I do is to start with my channel to see exactly where we are going. So I believe that we can still see that we are here, and that's the reason why I started with my zones, because the past week we experienced this move right here to the downside from here up until right here. But right now, as I zoom out, you would notice that we have this move right here, and that now currently the market failed to break there, and then it went up with an engulfing candlestick. So engulfing candlestick is one of the confirmations that we are using here at FX Traders. We are going to look at that, so meaning that for now we can confidently say that the market is trying to change its own direction. So from here now we might want to look for possibilities to the upside, and the reason why I'm doing these zones is because I want to know exactly where am I targeting my profits at this point. So I'll switch to a 4 hours time frame. What I'm seeing on 4 hours time frame, you can see right there where the market is. I'm expecting to see the market going further up. Let me just zoom, because I have this zone right here, a minor zone somewhere around here. You can see that, or you can even use the block right there. So what I'm expecting from here is to see the market shooting back up just like that, and then comes back down, now continue going up to give us what we call inverse head and shoulder as part of our reversal. I'll also need to mark this area. Now we're going to wait to see exactly if the market will come back to that area, and if the market it does go up from here, if the market goes up, we need to wait to see the market coming back to this area. But what will happen if the market will now continue going up? Obviously, when the market continue going up after the breakout, we are waiting to see something like this, and then we continue again with the moves to the upside just like that. So for now I will do this. You can see right there, waiting for the market to get there, come back here, and then continue with this move to the upside just like that. But remember, we also going to take our profit at this area, the first profit at that area, and then the second profit at this area right here, and finally the last profit at that area right there. So this will be the first profit, and then this will be the second one, and then this will be the third one right here. So that's how we are going to be going about it. So I'll remove that, and my entries now. it's very important to know where you expect your entries. I'm going to expect my entries right here. I'm going to have my stop loss somewhere around these areas. Once I get that shoulder, and then this will be my first target, this will be my second target. Now should the market continue going up, I'm going to aim my entries. Remember what I said is that the market will go up and then do this, and then now continue going up. So I'm going to aim my entries after that correction right there. This is where I'm going to also aim my entries, and I will put my stop loss just right here. Continue with this move to the upside. That's all I'm saying on EURUSD. Now let us dive straight into GBPUSD. Alright guys, here I am. I have GBPUSD analyzed already, and I don't feel like reanalyzing this pair because I've been analyzing the pair this previous week. If you missed that, you might want to go back and to check that, but then I'm going to give you a review on what I'm seeing right now. So let us go to a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, this is what we had. So we discussed this move right here. We had this touch, we had this touch, and then now this is the third touch that we are having right there. So from there we had this channel right here. We are expecting to see the market now going back up just like that. So let us switch back to a 4-hour time frame as I'm explaining. So if you were to take this move to the downside, you could have went in at these areas when the market is rejecting. You could have went in right here. This would be your entry. Otherwise, you could have also went in around these areas. See, like there's a lot of corrections right here. Again, you could have went in after this breakout right here. And finally, you could have went in at this area right here. So you can see there, like it's been a good move to the downside, but I'll do this because that has passed now. It doesn't matter. Now let us switch to an hour time frame. I hope you're all following. So on an hour time frame, this is what I had this move also here, which now we broke the trend line. We broke out of the channel, and as I said on my previous video that most people would wait to see if it will break this one right here again, but for me also, I'm still going to see if I would break this zone right here. There is this zone right here that I feel like it's very important, because you can see right there the market broke, it failed to break here and then break and retest again here. So now currently the market has failed to break that area. So I'm going to wait to see if the market will break, and once the market break, that's when I'm going in. It will be a risky trade because we are still within this channel right here, but otherwise if we break out, then my profit will be at these areas, and then my second profit will be right here. My third profit will be around there. So I'm going to drag this up until these areas right here. This is what I'm going to be waiting for, and hopefully we will break out of this inner channel right there. So I'll do this. Boom. Now that's what we're having right now. We are simply waiting to see what would happen if the market crosses this zone. That's when I'm feeling comfortable enough to take my increase right there. But also I shouldn't enter there like blindly. I'm waiting to see a structure. Remember, we are trading the structure. We're not going to just go in on any random places. So if the market present me with something like this, then I would know that I'm going in around these areas, and my stop loss will be just there. So we continue going up like that. Now let us look at the last pair. Alright guys, here I am. I have AUDNZD opened. just like we did with other pairs. I'm going to mark my zones again. So I have that, and last thing that I have to do is to now have my channel, okay, this is my channel. And now would again come to have something like this right here. Alright, you can see that we also here we just broke out. Allow me to delete this one right here for now. You can see that we broke out of the channel and we are currently coming back down right here to retest. So obviously our moves right now from here is to the upside, so I'm going to have something like this, pushing to the upside just like that. Now let us switch to a smaller time frame, and here I am on an hour time frame. So one thing that stands out for me here on an hour time frame is that this zone right here, you can see where the market failed to break here, so I'm going to mark that. We can see that currently the market is at that area, but that is not the only confirmation that we need for us now to go up. We still need to look for something else, so I'll delete it. So now we have two things that we are looking at. First of all, we want to see the market rejecting here, meaning that it shouldn't pass this level, and also we want to see the market now going up, not breaking out of this channel right here. And once that is done, we're going to get our confirmation right there by candlestick, obviously, and then we're going to go in. Our stop loss will be just below right there, tight stop loss, avoiding to blow accounts, and we put it right there just like that. And that's how we're going to be going about this trade right here. So you can see right there, I can have this one right here. I like to indicate with arrows so that people in my private groups can understand exactly what I was trying to show them right here. So yeah, that's all I had for currencies. Wait for the next video where I'll be diving deep into the indices. So if you have made it up until this very end, you know what to do by now. Please leave a thumb up. Let me know down there in the comment section what you think about the videos, and also what else do you want to see on the channel. My name is Ernest Mampana, and I will see you on the next video.